Dancing dogs. Groovy cats. What makes these popular pets regular party animals? They're party animal dancing pet speakers. Connect them to just about any audio device, your MP3, laptop, CD player, and these cuddly critters immediately begin boogieing to the beat. Go ahead, try any type of tune, fast or slow. Don't be chicken, horse around, in your home or office.
Brings a smile to all ages.
From toddlers to teenagers will find them cute and adorable. Each animal comes complete with soft, plush material, a built-in speaker, audio cord, and a robotic movement sensor. Put in the batteries, let your new favorite pet play your favorite song, and you can't help but wag your tail along. With these dogs and cats in the house, you have a house party. All your friends and family will have a doggone good time.